If you're looking for bike horns, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top 10 Bike Horns. Number 1, Most Popular, by Onedayshop. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Handlebar. Number 3, by Sunlite. For more details about this great bike horns, just click this circle. Number 4, by XLC. Number 5, by Clean Motion. Find these bike horns at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Daway. Number 7, by KidsTech. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Onedayshop. Number 9, by Delta Cycle. Discover more bike horns ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Bugle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.